गलज्जलप्रवाहपावितस्थले गलिहिवलं व्यलम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां डमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवज्रमर्वयं चकारचण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवम्. Like you said, Sushant used to live there and he was a Shiva Bhakt, and I just feel it's a very positive and nice space. I mean, this is like a proper horror movie. When I put that coming up on my Instagram, everyone thought I was releasing a horror movie. I don't think they read the caption. Everyone was like, horror movie kab release? Something I actually believe in. I feel for animals so much, and I feel that PETA does so much for animals. So being associated with you guys just makes me feel good about myself also, that I can contribute in some way that I can, as a known person, as somebody who people look up to if they feel that, okay, you know, she's doing it, so maybe we can. I think the fashion industry has gone into this whole, you know, you're only fashionable when you wear new things. I'm supposed to wear a new outfit every time, not repeat my clothes. Then I'm fashionable. When fashion should actually be what you can do with the same outfit maybe 100 times and make it look different. Yes, use sustainable materials, but as actors, as people who are in front of the camera, we are constantly told to wear new things. कि वो नहीं पहन सकते हैं because you know वो already पहन लिया, वापस पहनेंगे, my God, it's almost a crime. और अगर किसी ने एक बार एक चीज़ repeat किया, it's like wow, उसने एक बार, but we should be repeating things 50 times, not once. I try to repeat my outfits a lot. I try to be spotted wearing the same thing a lot, so that maybe people see it and know कि ये crime नहीं है. And अगर अदा पहन रही है बार बार तो वॉशिंग इज़ अ पॉसिबिलिटी. आप वॉश करके आयन करके फिर से वही पहन सकते हो, एंड वो गलत बात बिल्कुल नहीं है. कमिंग टू मटीरियल्स लाइक लेदर विच वी ऑल यूज़ एंड वी थिंक इट्स ओके, क्या ही है, बिकॉज वो कोई जानवर का होगा, अपना कोई फैमिली मेम्बर नहीं है, या अपना जानवर नहीं है, अपना डॉग नहीं है जो हमारे घर पे है, किसी और का काव है या किसी और का क्रोकोडाइल है. हाउ डज इट मैटर? कोई स्नेक होगा और मुझे बेल्ट पहनना है, मुझे फैशनेबल लगना है. बट आज इतने ऑल्टरनेटिव्स आए हैं, एंड I think it's doing so much harm to the environment, wearing materials that are made from someone else's skin. I think man वो एक ही जानवर है जो दूसरे जानवरों का चमड़ी पहनता है और फिर अपने आप को फैशनेबल कहलाता है. कोई और जानवर ऐसे है नहीं. And nowadays, like I said, we've come with so many alternatives जो leather जैसे ही दिखता है, and you can look fashionable and continue, you know, living without killing somebody else. You know, to keep cows and buffaloes in one place, it's very difficult because the gas emissions that they produce harm the ozone layer. And also, a lot of people say, but you know, you eat plants, and so how does that? But to keep your animals alive, you have to feed them so many acres of lands of plants that are grown to feed them. So from your water to all the natural resources keep getting depleted, and the people who work in these factories, even for them there's a whole long thing about what happens to them, because the emissions and everything, they have first hand you know, they're first hand receptive to it, they are right there. So you're just harming everything along with just for like a belt or a shoe.
True. And what do you recommend that people wear instead?
There are, like I said, a lot of brands who are making vegan leather. It's made out of cactus skins, coconut shells, and it's treated in such a way that it actually looks like actual leather. You will not miss the skin of an animal on you, and you're still being good and kind. I think it's very underrated to be kind in nowadays times, and I think just for our not just for our future generations, even for us, our world is deteriorating by the second with us, you know, just throwing away everything to just be, you know, nothing matters. We leave a room and leave all the lights and fans on. We just use nature like it's fine, it's okay, we can just, you know, so yeah, just be kind, I think.
Any last message for your fans out there? Would you like to share something with them?
Yeah, like I said, fashion is something that everyone is so conscious about, and one should be. It's very good to be fashionable. Please be fashionable. I love fashion as well, but there are so many other forms without harming our environment. जहाँ आप fashionable लग सकते हो, जहाँ आप बहुत बढ़िया खूबसूरत लग सकते हो, and आप इतना confidently बाहर निकल सकते हो. I don't know लोग कैसे animal का skin पहन के confidently निकल सकते हैं बाहर. So, but yeah, I hope someone somewhere gets inspired looking at this and says, okay, if she's doing it, maybe I can. I think that's all as people who are, hopefully, you know, someone looks up to you and says, okay, yeah, if she's doing this, maybe I can also try it. I hope for that when we do campaigns like this.
We absolutely agree with you, Ada. And thank you so much once again for being part of this campaign. And not the last one, I hope.
No, we've done some really fun ones
Yes,
together,
yes.
and I
And we
think
have
this
many
is
more to
quite
come.
gruesome. Yeah, I think this is like a proper horror movie.
Horror movie.
When I put that coming up on my Instagram, everyone thought I was releasing a horror movie. I don't think they read the caption. Everyone was like, horror movie kab release ho raha hai? So maybe next time we should make a visual ad or something of this thing, because. But for now, you have the very scary poster. I am associated with horror since my debut, and very proudly so. And I think horror like this is really scary. Like this is actual horror.
Shiv Tandav is going very viral right now in the live, and your ex-tenant flat Sushant Singh Rajput, the memorable actor, is also Shiv Bhakt, right? So you can say any line of Shiv Bhakt like
The Shivatandav, okay.
Yeah.
गलज्जलप्रवाहपावितस्थले गलिहिवलम्ब्यलम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां डमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवज्रमर्वयं चकारचण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवम् जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमभ्रमन्निलिम्पनिर्झरी विलोलवीचिवल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि दगद्दगद्दगज्ज्वलल्ललाटपट्टपावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रतिप्रतिक्षणं मम. Thank you.
the crow comes to your house, do you feel it's Sushant?
Oh my God.
Sushant Ji Rajput.
See, I'm very blessed जो मैं घर में रहती हूँ अभी, and वो बहुत अच्छा घर है, and बहुत जानवर आते हैं. Like Sachin knows, I'm very fond of animals and nature. I feel very blessed in the house, and I'm like you said, Sushant used to live there, and he was a Shiva Bhakt, and I just feel it's a very positive and nice space, and I love all animals. I don't think about what and who, but I'm just very fortunate, I think, to stay in this house, and yeah, the vibes are really nice.
Contemporaries of all the actresses, it's non-veg for the protein life and to build energy. What's point of view think for the non-veg food?
For non-veg food,
Yeah.
I have a lot of points for non-veg food. To start off with,
For the protein need.
yes, actors do eat protein, and I do see on Instagram and on social media वो लोग कहते हैं कि अगर प्रोटीन नहीं मिलता तो मसल नहीं बन सकता है. बट मैं वीगन हूँ, बचपन से वेजिटेरियन हूँ. आई नेवर टेस्टेड नॉन वेज इन माई लाइफ, एंड आपने मेरे मसल्स देखे हैं, आपने मेरा एक्शन देखा है. मैं मेरा हेयर और स्किन ग्लो होता है और मैं खुश रहती हूँ. आई थिंक बिकॉज आप अगर किसी और जानवर को अपने अंदर डाल रहे हो तो हेल्दी नहीं हो सकता है. ऑल्सो इफ़ यू आर कमिंग डाउन टू फैक्ट्स, जो चिकन्स होते हैं ना, वो छोटा चिक जो होता है,
Also pure vegetarian.
very good, very very good. I'm very proud of you. So for the non-vegetarians who are watching this, जो चिक होता है ना, उसे नॉर्मल अगर नेचुरली वो ग्रो होता है तो it takes around 2 months or even more, sometimes like 2.5 to 3 months to grow fully from a chick to a chicken. And ये जो मीट इंडस्ट्री में लोग प्रोटीन खाते हैं, saying that they have to eat the chicken to have their protein, chickens are farmed in that farm. Now for that ना उनको इंजेक्शन देके, हार्मोन इंजेक्शंस देके उनको जल्दी बड़ा करते हैं, because chicken is in demand. बहुत लोग खाते हैं because they say नहीं तो प्रोटीन नहीं मिलेगा, मसल्स नहीं आएंगे ना. So to get that chick to grow big, in 2 weeks they can get एक chick से वो chicken बन जाता है. So now imagine those hormones that they are injecting. You are now eating those hormones. Okay, so I don't know how.
We are not eating.
We are not eating. Yes, the people who are non-vegetarians are eating those hormones, and your hormones are then going into your body. I can't even start to explain what ill effects those hormones would have on your human system. Also, if you watch those videos ना, वो chickens खड़े ही नहीं हो सकते, because सोचो अगर एक छोटा बेबी को आप injections दे रहे हो और बड़ा कर रहे हो, तो if you suddenly this thing spike his growth, तो वो खड़ा भी नहीं हो पाएगा. Those chickens like लुढ़क रहे और गिर रहे हैं because they're it's a very sad state. I don't know, just for taste or just for protein. And there are a lot of vegetarian forms of protein now, which will give you very healthy protein without having those hormones in your system. Natural plant-based protein. So yeah, about the contemporary actresses of mine, I can't physically stop people from eating non-veg. I wish I could. I wish मेरे पास कोई जादुई ये होता कि मैं जादू करके सबको vegetarian बना सकती, पर वो शक्ति मुझ में नहीं है. I just hope, like I said, कि लोग मुझे देख के सोच के they'll feel कि अच्छा ये कर रही है तो let's try maybe, या कुछ बातें सुन के they'll think it's a healthy thing and maybe become vegetarian.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે. બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન.